Welcome to my YouTube channel. Revamp your outdoor space with the plants decor idea. Solution. Up your outdoor space. Do not aim to be an accepted and complicated advent or with a touch of creating and a gardening. Thumb your You can transform your outdoor area into a violet ocean. Use simple and affordable plants decor idea from charming plants to hand gardening and are some easy to implement idea to make life and color to your outdoor setting. Below Pallets plant well. One of the easiest and more budget friendly way to create earthing outdoor plants display is by depressing scent hold wood plants transformer then into wallet plants well by adding story plants to reach level. Not only do this providing an option to showcase any area of plants, but it also maximum space in small area. You can print the pilots in your knitting color by level theme in those rustic state of a natural form. Angan gardener elevate your gardening to ice level with angan gardening in it. A violet to contrast from transformer angan plants to represent consider like old throw a cup or thing up ending to book. Consider maximum clearly plants with more upright violets of a balance and mentioned apply elemental trust plant set or trust plant set in an agro war to showcase your favorite plants will keep theme originals. You can press red, make straight or close on yourself using wood, pick or choosing block. Arrange plants of very height and size on each level to creating display. This not only add gardening but also add cement to your outdoor space. Gardening pathway planting enhance your gardening pathway with plants place statement, allowing tasks then can be filling with violet flower original gardening or trans violet. Not only do then frame your pathway beautifully, but then also guess the eyes and create a scene of display in your outdoor space. Conclusion elevate your outdoor space with plants. Decor do not have to be completely and experience by incorporating them. Easy idea, can you add a touch of natural beauty to your outdoor